Okay, this is part 2 of section 2B in the notes. I asked you to take a look at those 4 problems on the second page. Previously we did these notes here and we looked at these 5 steps to help us find what missing side it could be. So if we look at these problems, let's see how you did. So the first one, we've got the angle of 43, identified HOA. I see I have the O, which is the opposite, and the A, which is the adjacent. So then I can decide that that is tangent. If you need to, write this at the top of your paper, SOHCAHTOA. Okay, that'll really help. So I can see that I need tangent, so I would write my equation. Again, same order. Tan, whatever trig I'm using, tan, the angle, equals ratio opposite over adjacent. Okay, that's the setup equation. Now to solve it, we have 2 options. 1, we're going to multiply, or 2, we're going to divide. If the variable is on the top, we are going to multiply. When I multiply, I'm going to take this number first. I'm going to take 11 times tan 43 equals. If you punch that into the calculator and round to the nearest tenth, you're going to get 10.3. Does that answer make sense that that'd be 10.3? Yeah, this is 11, it'd be around that same amount. Okay, so that variable is on the top, so I multiply. Here's the second one. Identify HOA. The H and the A is what I have, so that's going to be a cosine. Here's my equation. Again, the order, cosine 70, use that angle there, equals the adjacent over the hypotenuse. When the variable is on the bottom, such as this one is, that is a divide problem. I must start with the 4, or whatever number is here in the fraction. If I start with this, I'm not going to get the right answer. So I must start with the number that's in the fraction. So in the calculator, I'm going to punch 4 divided cosine 70 equals. Basically, we're letting the calculator find this decimal form for us, rather than have it look it up, write it down, punch it back in, and all that kind of stuff. This is just a huge time saver. So when I do that, I get approximately 11.7 for my answer. Okay, and that would make sense that it's got to be more than 4 because it's the hypotenuse. Third one, you can see here I've located the HOA. I recognized we had the O and the A, so I wrote tangent 37, that's that angle here, equals the fraction opposite side over the adjacent side. X is on top, so this is a multiply. 30 times tan 37. When you multiply that out, you get about 22.6. And that would also make sense that it'd be around that. And the last one, HOA is identified. Again, the longest side opposite the 60 is your H. Opposite the angle is the opposite, the O, and then right next to the angle is the A. On this one, I've got the opposite as a 14 and the hypotenuse as an X. There's nothing at the A, so I can't use the A. So opposite and hypotenuse is sine. Here's my order. Sine, angle, equals fraction. Opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, that is called the setup. That is writing the equation. And then once you find that, then it's a matter of solving. X is on the bottom. You are going to divide. Start with this number with the in the fraction. 14 divided sine 63, which lets the calculator find that decimal. And once I divided that out, I get 15.7. Hope this helped. If you have any questions, please come in and see me. And other than that, have a great day or not. The choice is up to you.